Hello, my name is Carolyn Norton. I'm the Cloud Practice Director here at Velosio, and I wanted to spend some time with you to talk about the benefits of moving to Microsoft Azure Cloud and how our team can assist organizations that are new to the cloud or just starting out. Today, we'll discuss proven methodologies like the Microsoft Cloud Adoption Framework, also known as CAF, that can help plan, design, implement, support, and manage the cloud experience end to end. We'll also emphasize the importance of security in the cloud and how partnering with us can ensure a solid cloud foundation. Lastly, we'll talk upon user adoption and other key metrics that contribute to a successful cloud migration. With that being said, let's dive right in. The Microsoft Cloud is a powerful platform that offers a wide array of services and capabilities to an organization. By migrating to Azure, businesses can leverage scalable infrastructure, advanced analytics, AI capabilities, and so much more. However, embarking in this cloud journey can be very daunting, especially for those who are new to the cloud or just starting out. And that's where our team can come in. Our team is experienced in helping organizations navigate that cloud landscape. We understand that there are challenges and complexities involved in a cloud migration, and we have a proven track record of success. By leveraging the Microsoft Cloud Adoption Framework, we follow a structured approach to guide organizations through their cloud journey. With our expertise, we can assist in planning the migration, designing that architecture, implementing the solution, and providing the ongoing support and management of your cloud environment. We really like to make sure that we're looking at it from a holistic view, ensuring your organization's unique requirements are being met while aligning to industry best practices and standards. Security is a critical aspect of any cloud strategy. When moving to the cloud, organizations need to ensure that their data and applications are protected. By partnering with us, you gain a trusted ally that aligns with your security objectives. Our team follows Microsoft recommended security practices to ensure a robust, secure cloud foundation. We can help implement advanced security measures such as identity and access management, encryption, network security, and threat detection. By integrating these security measures into your Azure environment, we help safeguard your organization's assets. Moving to the cloud is not just about technology. It also involves ensuring that your end users embrace the new platform and derive value from it. User adoption is a critical factor in the success of any cloud migration. Our team understands the importance of a user adoption and change management. We provide training, workshops, and resources to help your employees adapt to the new cloud environment. By fostering a culture of learning and collaboration, we can ensure your organization fully realizes the benefits of Azure Cloud. Additionally, we help organizations track and measure key metrics to assess the success of their cloud migration. We provide insights to cost optimizations, performance improvements, scalability, and reliability. These metrics allow you to make data-driven decisions and continuously enhance your cloud environment. For organizations that are already in the cloud, there are opportunities to review and optimize your current footprint. This helps identify areas of improvement, enhance security, and explore new avenues for transformation and modernization. Our team can conduct a comprehensive assessment of your existing cloud infrastructure, applications, and workloads. By analyzing usage patterns, performance metrics, and cost optimization opportunities, we can identify areas of efficiency gains that can be made. We can also help you leverage advanced cloud services, such as serverless computing, AI, and data analytics to further transform your organization. In the end, moving to Microsoft Azure Cloud offers numerous benefits for many organizations. Whether you're just starting out or you already have a presence today, we're looking to partner with you and see where we can take you to your next.